Imagine a ghost, a fiery traveler with a glowing tail, slicing through the night sky, only to vanish into the darkness for generations, only to return when humanity has changed. This is no myth. This is Halley's Comet, the cosmic wanderer that has haunted the skies for thousands of years. And in this video, we uncover its secrets, its terrifying close calls, its ancient prophecies, and what might happen when it comes back in 2061. This is the legend of Halley's Comet. Long before telescopes or science, people looked up and saw fire in the sky. They feared it. They worshipped it. Halley's Comet has been recorded since at least 240 BC by the Chinese, and may have been seen even earlier by the Babylonians. But to them, it wasn't just a comet, it was an omen. Of kings falling, of empires burning, of divine wrath. Fast forward to 1066, the year Halley's Comet became a celestial celebrity. A blazing visitor above England foretold war, and weeks later, the Battle of Hastings changed British history forever. Was it coincidence? Or something more? In the 17th century, a brilliant mind named Edmond Halley noticed something strange. The comet that terrified people in 1531, 1607, and 1682 looked familiar. Too familiar. He realized it was the same comet. Returning. Periodically. And then, with breathtaking confidence, he predicted it will return in 1758. He died before it did. But it came back, right on schedule. Humanity had just witnessed its first scientifically predicted celestial visitor. And Halley's name was immortalized in the stars. 1986, humanity was no longer afraid of comets. We were ready to meet one. For the first time, we launched a fleet of spacecraft to chase Halley's Comet, ESA's Giotto, Japan's Sakigake and Suisei, and the Soviet Vega probes. And what they found was astonishing. A dark, potato-shaped nucleus shooting out jets of gas and dust, like a cosmic volcano. A nucleus so black, it reflected only 4% of sunlight, darker than charcoal. Halley wasn't a glowing snowball. It was a primordial monster from the dawn of the solar system. What is a comet really? Halley is a frozen relic, made of water ice, dust, methane, and ammonia, left over from the birth of our solar system 4.6 billion years ago. But here's the wild part, every time it nears the sun, Halley loses around 1 to 3 meters of surface material. That means, it's slowly dying. One day, it will vanish. But not yet. It still has a few more journeys to make. In 1910, Earth passed through Halley's tail. Panic spread like wildfire. Newspapers warned of deadly cyanide gas in the comet's trail. People sealed their windows. Gas mask sales soared. And when the night came, people waited to die. But the Earth spun on. Though harmless that time, Halley's path is chaotic. Over millennia, its orbit shifts. It brushes past planets. Its gravity dance could one day send it dangerously close to Earth. Halley's orbit is an odd one, elliptical, retrograde, and tilted. It dives into the inner solar system, loops past the Sun, then slingshots back beyond Neptune. It takes about 76 years to complete one orbit, but that can vary, from 74 to 79 years, due to gravitational tugs from planets like Jupiter. It's been doing this for tens of thousands of years. How long can it keep going? And when exactly is its end? Mark your calendars. July 28, 2061. Halley's Comet will return, brighter, closer, and more glorious than in 1986. For the first time in over a century, it will be on the same side of the Sun as Earth. It might outshine the brightest stars. A whole new generation of spacecraft, perhaps even humans, will meet it. Imagine a crewed flyby mission. A comet base, or capturing part of Halley for study. It's science fiction. That could become science fact. Halley is more than a spectacle. It's a time capsule. It holds clues to the solar system's birth, the origin of water on Earth, and possibly even the ingredients of life. Every flyby is a chance to learn more about planetary formation, cosmic chemistry, and the violent youth of our solar neighborhood. Halley's Comet is a cosmic ghost. It disappears for decades, then bursts back to remind us, the universe is alive. It's moving, changing, watching. In 2061, will we still be watching the skies? Will we meet Halley again as explorers, not just observers? One thing is certain, the ghost will return. And when it does, the sky will blaze once more.